Hello and greetings from Shanghai. Now, I didn't expect to be back in China so soon after my previous visit, but after the success of the Journey Through China series, I'm here in Shanghai for the next 4 days, and I'm here as an ambassador for the Shanghai summer event. Now, it seems like the fitting end for this Journey Through China series, as I actually didn't visit Shanghai on my previous trip to China. So I'm so happy to be here, and I can't wait to explore China's biggest city with my camera in hand over the coming days. So we're currently in the downtown area of Shanghai, and one thing that I've already noticed is the amount of greenery here. I can't think of another megacity that I've been to within China that has this amount of greenery within a downtown area. It has a very European feel, the streets are lined with trees, and as it's Shanghai summer, it's providing for some incredible shade, but also creating some really nice photo opportunities with the contrast between light and shadow. After a busy morning of exploring the area around our hotel of downtown Shanghai, we need to refuel. Now there's only one thing to do, and that's eat traditional Shanghai cuisine. Okay, so we've ordered way too much food as usual, but the one thing that we really enjoyed our last time in China was the way that you sit down for a meal. You don't order a separate meal like we do in the West. You order an array of dishes and you share the food. And it's a way more intimate experience. So we've ordered some traditional Shanghai cuisine. We've got Shanghai braised pork, Shanghai dumplings, Chinese broccoli, and then a wonton soup. So a bit of a feast, a lunchtime beer. Cheers, let's dig in. Wow. So that meal came into a grand total of 190 RMB, which is the equivalent to about 40 New Zealand dollars. I don't even think you could get one dish out of that whole platter for 40 bucks in New Zealand. Incredible value. That's the equivalent to about £20 or 25 USD. Absolutely incredible value for the quality of the food. Just another reason why I love this place so much. When I say movie-like scenes, this sums it up perfectly. This is why I like walking everywhere and not getting on taxis or the metro so much, because you just wouldn't find these moments of everyday life. Ni hao! Ni hao! That's it. said this in previous videos, I don't know what I expected the first time I come to China, but the friendliness of people is incredible. People are so interested, you know, what someone like myself is out here doing, and I guess I find myself in a lot of these situations because I kind of go off the beaten path a little bit. But yeah, I'm gonna say it again, the people here are so welcoming. So this is new. I've never had a cocktail in Starbucks before. Ganbei.
It's the best.
So I realised in the previous episodes I never once spoke about the visa that we entered China on for that trip. This trip's slightly different. We're here for the next 4 days on a 144-hour transit visa, which is completely free. Shanghai has never been more accessible to foreign tourists than it is right now. Surprisingly, Shanghai is incredibly famous for its coffee culture. Apparently, there's more coffee shops here than there are in New York, Tokyo, and London. Which is bloody great for me. So if you've been following the channel for a while, you'll know that I'm pretty big on my photography gear. I'd say, in fact, I'm a little bit of a nerd. You can't come to a place, right, like Shanghai and not sniff out a decent camera store. And that's exactly what I've come across here. This is Jingguan Photographic Equipment. I have never seen a camera store or facility like this in my entire life. Even after my countless visits to Japan, I've never seen a place like this. This is 2 multi-story buildings. There must be hundreds, if not 1,000 or so stores in here. You can get whatever you want. Anything to do with cameras, they'll have it in here. I don't need any more gear, but I'm definitely gonna go and have a good look around. I've been to some camera stores in my time, but this is something else. I've never seen this many camera shops within one place in my entire life. Absolute paradise, and I didn't even spend anything, which is an absolute miracle. But we're going to jump back on the metro now, head out for sunset, because Shanghai comes alive of an evening. So that's a wrap on these couple of days here in Shanghai. It has been incredible, an absolute whirlwind of an adventure, but an incredible time. We're so grateful for the Shanghai summer event for bringing us out here and finishing this journey through China series, because I can't believe that we knocked Shanghai off of our original itinerary when we came out here at the back end of last year, and we missed this incredible place. a contrast between old and new, and it's been absolutely fascinating trying to document that over the last couple of days. For all the people that have joined the channel since this Journey Through China series has gone live, thank you so much, and please stick around, because China is a place that is forever going to be in our hearts, and this whole journey through China has opened up heaps of opportunities and opened my eyes to more locations that I want to come back and document here in China. So that's a wrap on this Journey Through China series. It's been a nice escape from the New Zealand winter. We're about to get back on our plane to New Zealand. Thanks again for Shanghai Summer, China Eastern Airlines for bringing us out here, because it's really been an incredible journey. So stick around, stay safe, stay curious, and I'll see you in the next one.